Hello doctor. In this video we will get acquainted with your Healant MD dashboard. This beautiful and powerful dashboard has your name and your specialization mentioned at the top along with your photograph. You see a date at the right hand side and this is the validity of your subscription. If you are on a wallet, then the balance amount of your wallet will show up here. We come down, we see a field here where you can enter patient's name or mobile number. As I start entering a mobile number, the patient with mobile number starting from that digit will start showing up here and I can pick up the patient that I want to consult. I could also have entered a name and the same thing would happen. Having picked up the patient, I can go to do a consultation or I can do a video consultation. If the patient that I entered was a new patient, the system would ask me to confirm that it's a new patient and take me to the flow of adding that patient. And then I can come back and do the same function. You will see here a counter and this indicates the number of consultations I have given today. Come down and you have this button here which is a list of all the patients that you have had in the application so far. Tap here and you see this list. You can tap on any of the patients to see the patient's profile. You can go further to see more details about that patient or go to do a consultation to that patient. Your patients who are using Healant application can ask you questions, and when they do that, a counter appears in this box and you can tap on this box to see the question that your patient have asked. You can tap here and respond to these questions. You also have the option of ignoring those questions. The next box is which indicates if any of your patients have made a request to review their reports. They would have paid for your report review fee and then these cards will appear here. You can go to review the report and come back here to then give your report review. The box here that has a calendar is where you make your appointments, or you can also identify your block days. The appointment that you have already made will show up here in this list, and the red dot here under the dates indicate that for those dates you already have appointments booked. This box here in the middle is where you have the list of all the prescriptions that you have done so far. If I tap here, I can see this list. You look at this patient for whom the actual prescription issued can be seen if I tap this icon here. It says that you can open it with a PDF, and as I tap that, this PDF document opens, which is the actual prescription that was issued to the patient, which I might have either printed or was issued as an e-prescription or both. If I have any inpatients to manage, I can do that by tapping here. I will see the list of my inpatients. If I tap on that patient, it tells me that where I have admitted him, the admission date, the main complaint. I can add my visit, I can add discharge notes and many other functions. When I issue a consultation, my patient gets an SMS with a link to give feedback. He can give you a thumbs up or he can also put some comments. The comments first come to you. You have the option of approving those comments, and if you approve those comments, they will go and sit next to your profile on the Healant portal, and you see all the comments made by your patients here. If I tap here, I will see the patients that have made these comments. The icon that you see here, this icon is basically telling you the referral network that you have built, all the communication that you have done so far, and this is the list of your patients who have so far downloaded the Healant application. The appointments that you have confirmed will start showing below this list. For example, you see an appointment here. You have a WhatsApp icon here. We are always available to you if you need help. Tap this WhatsApp icon and it will connect you to us. You can ask your questions and we will respond to you as soon as possible. You have another field here with a mic. If you want to rather speak into a certain field, you can do that and you will have your voice converted automatically to text, and that will save you some typing effort. So explore your application, explore your dashboard. You try it a little bit, come back to us if you need help, and we will talk about rest of the functions in our subsequent videos. Thank you very much.